You're not going to believe this.
Okay.
Okay, look at this.
Sorry. Thank you. I'm thinking green could be nice. We could go for a yellow, otherwise a blue. Don't you dare.